Tired of manually withdrawing your earnings every time? In this video, I'll show you how to set up a weekly automatic payout so your money comes to you on a schedule. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The weekly payout feature automates your withdrawals, saving you time and ensuring a consistent cash flow. To set it up, go to your earnings page and click on the withdrawal button. On the withdrawal page, look for an option or a link that says set up automatic weekly payments or schedule payout. You'll be able to choose your preferred withdrawal method, like PayPal or bank transfer, and select the day of the week you want the automatic transfer to occur. Once activated, Fiverr will automatically withdraw your entire available balance every week on the day you selected and send it to your chosen payment method. A crucial pro tip: this is a fantastic set it and forget it tool for financial discipline. Just ensure your linked payment method is always active and that you're aware of the processing times for your chosen method so you know when to expect the funds. And just like that, you've automated your freelance income. Setting up a weekly payout ensures you get paid without lifting a finger. Which day of the week would you choose for your automatic payout? Let us know in the comments. To review your finances, watch our next video on how to view your Fiverr transaction history. Thanks for watching.